How to turn off party invites in T3 Arena. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily turn off the party invites in T3 Arena game step by step. First, launch the T3 Arena game on your device, and once you're inside this main home screen or the lobby screen, go ahead and click on the three horizontal menu buttons at the top right corner. Now click on Options, and under Options, select Account at the bottom left. Now, after you are inside the Account tab, go to the upper right corner and tap on Privacy Settings. After you are inside the Privacy Settings, look for Accept Party Invite button and tap on Off right next to Accept Party Invite. After you switch it off, this will stop all incoming party invitations. This will only stop party invites, not friend requests or game alerts. You can turn it back on anytime in this same menu. If you want to turn on party invite, you can tap on right next to accept party invite. So that is how you can easily turn off the party invite settings in T3 Arena. It helps you focus on gameplay without constant interruptions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.